Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva graphics. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly design platform that empowers anyone to create stunning visuals, even without prior design experience. We'll explore its vast library of templates, which includes options for social media, marketing materials, and personal projects. You'll discover how simple it is to customize these designs using its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making your creative vision a reality in just a few minutes. Once you've selected a template, the real fun begins with customization. Canva provides extensive tools to personalize every aspect of your design. You can effortlessly swap out text, experiment with hundreds of fonts, and adjust color palettes to match your brand or personal style. Plus, you have access to millions of stock photos, illustrations, and graphic elements, or you can easily upload your own images and logos to truly make the design yours. To make your graphics truly pop, Canva offers a rich array of visual elements. You can easily add shapes, lines, and icons to guide the viewer's eye or emphasize key information. Experiment with photo filters and effects to give your images a polished, consistent appearance. For social media, consider using Canva's animation features to bring your designs to life, creating engaging content that captures attention and stands out in a busy feed. After perfecting your design, sharing it with the world is incredibly straightforward. Canva allows you to download your creations in multiple formats, including high-resolution JPGs, transparent PNGs, or print-ready PDFs, depending on your needs. You can also share your designs directly to popular social media platforms with just a few clicks or invite team members to collaborate on projects, making teamwork seamless and efficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.